Today we're going to be taking a look at Curt's towing starter kit for 2-inch hitches, part number C45554. You've purchased your trailer and your hitch, got it all installed. Now you need a way to attach the two together. This starter kit's going to be a great way to get you set up and down the road and keep everything nice and secure while you're doing it. Included in the kit, you're going to get a 5/8 inch hitch pin and clip, a locking 5/8 inch hitch pin, 2 sets of keys for your lock, a cover for your 2-inch hitch when you're not using your ball mount. You'll get a ball mount that has a 4-inch drop or a 2-inch rise. It's currently in the drop position, as well as a 2-inch ball that comes pre-installed on the ball mount. This is nice because some of these balls have a very high torque requirement to get them attached to your ball mount, and you may or may not have the appropriate tools to get that torque down. When you're ready to put your new kit to use, just slide your ball mount inside your hitch, line up the holes. You can use the 5/8 inch pin and clip that comes with it, or you can use your locking pin. We're going to go ahead and use the locking pin. Slide that through. We'll then slide the locking end on, turn the key to lock it in place, and close the dust cap on the end. We're now ready to hook up our trailer and hit the road. Both your ball and ball mount are going to be rated for 7,500 pounds gross towing capacity. That's how much you can pull behind it, as well as 750 pounds for the tongue weight. And that's how much force is going down on top of the receiver. Now you do want to keep in mind when using these weight ratings for your tongue weight and for your gross towing capacity that it's only as high as the weakest component in your system. So if your hitch is rated for less than what your ball mount is, you need to make sure not to exceed what your hitch is rated for. And vice versa, if your hitch is rated higher, you don't want to exceed what your ball mount and ball is rated for. Your ball is chrome plated, so it's going to have a nice look, as well as help prevent against corrosion in the future. Your ball mount is going to have a black powder coat finish on it to help resist against corrosion as well. The 2-inch ball has a 1-inch shank, and likewise the ball mount itself has a 1-inch hole for balls with a 1-inch shank. This way, if you have multiple trailers, you need to switch out the 2-inch ball for a 1 7/8 or a 2 5/16 ball. You can simply unscrew that and put in another one as long as it has that 1-inch shank. The lock that comes with it is also chrome plated, so it's going to be resistant against corrosion as well. On the end, you're going to have a dust cap to keep dirt and moisture from entering in the lock mechanism on the inside to ensure long-lasting, smooth operation. All that's left is to hook up your trailer and hit the road. As you can see, this kit's going to be a great way for us to hook up to our trailer and get us started on our hauling adventures. And when you're done using your ball mount, you can slide your cover in, and then it'll give it a nice look. So if you're looking for a kit that has everything you need to start towing, keeping things secure, and have the versatility of a drop rise ball mount, this is going to be a great kit to get you started. To determine if you need a drop or rise, or what position you need to place your drop and rise in on your vehicle, you want to start by leveling your trailer. We've already got our jack adjusted here, so our trailer's level. We're going to measure from the ground to the coupler there. We're going to take that measurement, we're going to go over to our vehicle, and we're going to measure what that distance is. So we don't have a ball mount in, and we can already see here that about the center of it is about 13 inches. So compared to our trailer over there, we need to raise it up about 2 inches to make it level. So our ball mount kit that we've got here, we would simply need to remove our ball, flip it over, reinstall it, and we'd be able to haul our trailer nice and level. That's going to be the safest, most effective way to get your trailer wherever you're pulling it. And that completes our look at Curt's towing starter kit for 2-inch hitches, part number C45554.